Stay comfortable out there on the trails in this hiking boot from Oboz. This super lightweight silhouette is made with a leather and a textile upper. It's got a nice reinforced design that has waterproofing so the water will bead right off with a gusseted tongue to keep out any debris. That inside lining is also moisture wicking to keep you feeling fresh, and it uses this corded lace-up with quick metal eyelets so you can always have a super secure fit. It does have a heel counter in the back for that more locked down feel, especially with all the thick foam padding on the inside. And it comes with a removable foam footbed that's made with some recycled materials from algae that's going to give it a more sustainable and comfortable design while helping to protect the earth. It does have some arch support there, and it sits on top of an EVA midsole. It's super responsive and flexible. Underneath, it's got a grippy rubber outsole with some flex in the forefoot, and it's super durable as well to keep you moving every season.